Struggling to find the right text in your database? Let's fix that right now with some SQL magic.
Yeah, it can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, right? Luckily, SQL gives us some awesome tools.
So here's our game plan. We'll look at the challenge, grab our tools, query some movies, and then level up.
Okay, first things first, the where clause. This is your command to filter records and find what you need.
So you've got two main choices, exact for exact case-sensitive matches and like for more flexible pattern matching.
Okay, here's our first superpower, the percent sign. Think of it as a fill-in-the-blank for your text searches. See how this works? It finds AT anywhere in the text, beginning, middle, or end. Super powerful stuff. The underscore is way more precise. It's a placeholder for just one single character. Nothing more, nothing less.
What if you need to check against a list of things? That's where the in operator comes in. So efficient.
All right, enough theory. Let's put this stuff to the test using a real table of movies. This will be fun.
Okay, challenge number 1. How do we find all the movies from the Toy Story franchise?
Easy. We'll use like with Toy Story and a percent sign. This catches any title starting with that phrase.
And boom, there they are. The query grabbed both Toy Story and Toy Story 2 perfectly.
Next up, let's find every single movie directed by John Lasseter. This one needs an exact match.
For this, we're not using like. We'll use the equal sign for that perfect, case-sensitive exact match.
And would you look at that? Our query found every single movie he directed. Perfect.
Okay, let's flip this around. What if we want all the movies not directed by John Lasseter?
It's actually really simple. We just use the not equal to operator, which looks like this. Exclamation point equal sign.
And just like that, we get all the other movies. You can see Pete Docter, Brad Bird, everyone else.
All right, last one. How do we find a movie when we only remember the first part of the title?
You guessed it, we're bringing back the percent wildcard. It's perfect for matching wall plus whatever comes next. And there it is. Wally, see? This kind of pattern matching is just incredibly useful.
Here's a super important tip. Always, always wrap your text in quotes. Otherwise, SQL gets very confused.
Like is fantastic for most things, but for huge, heavy-duty searches, specialized tools are way more efficient.
So now you've got the tools. What kind of powerful patterns are you going to search for next?